If you're over 60, here's something powerful you need to hear. Losing muscle as we age is not a sign of weakness. It's a signal from your body asking for attention. Every year after 60, your muscle strength can decline by as much as 3%, making everyday tasks like standing up, carrying groceries, or climbing stairs feel a little harder. But here's the truth most people don't realize. This decline is not inevitable. You can actually reverse it. And the secret lies into simple movements practiced daily by older adults in Japan. People who remain strong, balanced, and active well into their 80s and even 90s. These are not complicated gym workouts or exhausting fitness routines. They are gentle, natural movements that anyone can do no matter your current fitness level or age. What's more, these practices don't just strengthen your muscles. They rebuild your confidence, independence, and energy. Because staying strong isn't about looking younger, it's about living fully, moving freely, and enjoying the moments that truly matter. Imagine waking up each morning feeling steady on your feet, confident when you rise from your chair, and capable of doing things you love without fear of falling or fatigue. That's what these two Japanese-inspired exercises can help you achieve. This is not a quick fix or a passing trend. It's a lifestyle shift that honors your body's natural ability to heal and grow stronger, even after 60. So before we continue, kindly tap the subscribe button on your screen. By subscribing, you're joining a community of strong, motivated individuals who are choosing to age with energy, dignity, and purpose. Together, we'll uncover simple habits that transform how you move, how you feel, and how you live every single day. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover two movements that can literally change the way you age. Movements backed by science, tradition, and the remarkable longevity of Japanese seniors who prove that staying strong and vibrant is absolutely possible at any age. Your next chapter of strength starts right now. Welcome to Seniors Health Tips, the channel dedicated to helping you live stronger, longer, and healthier one simple step at a time. If you're new here, I'm so glad you've joined us. Here, we believe aging isn't something to fear, it's something to embrace with pride, energy, and wisdom. Every week, we share practical advice and easy-to-follow routines designed especially for people over 60 who want to stay active, improve balance, and protect their independence. Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of healthy aging: reversing muscle loss. You've probably noticed how daily movements can feel different as the years go by. Maybe standing up takes more effort, or your legs feel weaker after a long day. These changes are common, but they don't have to define your future. The good news: you can rebuild your strength naturally and safely, starting right where you are. We'll explore two simple movements inspired by the daily habits of Japanese seniors, men and women who remain active, flexible, and full of vitality far beyond their 60s. These are practical, real-world movements you can begin doing today, in the comfort of your home. They're gentle enough for beginners, but powerful enough to strengthen your legs, improve balance, and restore confidence in your every step. But before we dive into these powerful techniques, I'd love to hear from you. What's one movement or activity you miss doing easily? Maybe it's gardening, walking without pain, or simply feeling steady when you get out of bed. Share your thoughts in the comments below, because your story might inspire someone else watching this video right now. If you're ready to regain your strength and rediscover your confidence, you're in the right place. Let's get started on your journey toward a stronger, more active, and independent you. Movement number 1. The Japanese sit-to-stand practice, Neko Exercise. Let's begin with the first movement. One of the simplest yet most powerful exercises practiced daily by Japanese elders who remain strong and mobile well into their 80s and 90s. It's called the sit-to-stand, or what some call the Neko exercise. Don't let the simplicity fool you. This small, mindful motion can make a big difference in your daily strength and stability. Think about how many times you sit and stand throughout the day, from your chair, your bed, or even while using the bathroom. Every one of those movements engages the muscles in your legs, hips, and core. But as we age, we tend to rely more on our arms or momentum, and those key muscles slowly weaken. The Japanese approach this differently. Instead of avoiding the effort, they embrace it, turning this everyday motion into a powerful strength-building habit. Here's how you can start. Find a sturdy chair that won't slide or tip. Sit down with your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Cross your arms over your chest, so you're not using your hands to push off. Take a deep breath in, engage your core, and slowly stand up, keeping your movements controlled. Once you're standing tall, pause for a moment. Feel your balance, feel your strength, and then slowly lower yourself back down. Don't plop into the chair. Move with control. That's where the real magic happens. Try doing this motion 10 times in a row. If that feels challenging, start with 5. Quality matters more than speed. Each repetition strengthens your thighs, glutes, and lower back, while improving your balance and coordination. Over time, you'll notice you can stand up from the couch, bed, or car seat with greater ease and confidence. What's so fascinating is that in Japan, older adults perform similar movements every day simply because many homes have low seating or floor cushions instead of high chairs. This natural habit keeps their leg muscles active and their joints flexible. They're constantly using strength, not losing it. Now, you might be wondering, how often should you do this exercise? Ideally, a few times throughout the day. For example, after breakfast, before lunch, and in the evening. You can even make it part of your routine. Stand up during television commercials or after finishing a chapter of your favorite book. Small, consistent efforts add up to remarkable results. And here's something to keep in mind. This movement isn't just about muscles. It's about independence. Every sit-to-stand you practice is a step toward maintaining your freedom, the ability to move without assistance, to live on your own terms, and to enjoy the activities that bring you joy. You might feel a bit of effort in your thighs or hips the first few days, and that's perfectly normal. It's your body waking up, your muscles reactivating, your balance improving. Celebrate that progress. Let's do a quick mental check together. Are your feet flat? Are your knees aligned with your toes? Are you moving with control rather than speed? That's perfect. Each slow, mindful repetition is helping you rebuild the foundation of your strength. If you are following along right now, you've already taken the first step toward reversing muscle loss. Give yourself credit for showing up and taking action. Many people talk about wanting to feel stronger. You're actually doing something about it. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How many sit-to-stands could you do comfortably today? Leave a comment and share your progress, not to compare, but to inspire. You never know who might read your story and feel encouraged to start their own journey. So, keep going, stay consistent, and remember, your body is capable of far more than you think. The sit-to-stand may look simple, but practice daily. It's one of the most powerful gifts you can give yourself: strength, confidence, and independence that lasts for years to come. Because what you're really doing here is more than an exercise. You're retraining your body to stay strong, stable, and confident. Movement number 2. The Japanese heel raise and balance Ashibumi exercise. Now that your legs and core are awake from the sit-to-stand, let's move to the second movement, one that Japanese elders have used for centuries to stay steady, improve blood flow, and keep their legs strong and energized. It's called the heel raise and balance, or Ashibumi. At first glance, it may seem simple just lifting your heels off the ground, but behind this movement lies the secret to long-lasting mobility and strength. As we age, many of us notice our legs feeling heavier, our circulation slowing down, and our balance not being what it used to be. This isn't just about aging, it's about underused muscles and stiff joints. But the good news is, your body is always ready to adapt. With small, consistent practice, you can restore that lightness in your step and strengthen the very muscles that keep you upright and confident. Here's how to do it. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Place one or both hands lightly on the back of a chair or countertop for balance. Take a deep breath, lift your heels slowly off the ground, as high as you comfortably can, and rise onto the balls of your feet. Pause for a moment. At the top, feel your calves tightening, your balance working, your posture lengthening. Then gently lower your heels back down. That's one repetition. In for about 20 slow and controlled lifts. If that feels too much, start with 10 and gradually increase. The key is control. Don't bounce or rush, move deliberately. Each rise and fall strengthens the calves, improves ankle flexibility, and stimulates circulation throughout the legs. The motion also engages your balance system, which is essential for preventing falls and maintaining stability as you move through your day. The beauty of this practice is how seamlessly it fits into your daily routine. You can do it while brushing your teeth, waiting for the kettle to boil, or even during television breaks. In Japan, many seniors weave these small moments of movement into their day without ever calling it exercise. It's simply part of life. And that's what makes their habits so powerful: consistency, not intensity. You might start to notice subtle but amazing changes after a few days. Your legs feel lighter, walking feels steadier, and your energy levels rise. That's because this simple heel raise helps pump fresh blood through your lower body, reducing swelling and stiffness. It's like sending a gentle reminder to your body: I'm still here. I'm still strong, and I'm still moving. There's also an emotional strength that comes with this exercise. Each time you lift your heels, you're symbolically lifting yourself, choosing vitality over passivity, action over decline. You're proving to yourself that age doesn't define your strength, your habits do. If you want to challenge yourself a bit more, try balancing for a few seconds at the top of each lift without holding onto anything. Focus your gaze straight ahead, breathe steadily, and trust your body. It might wobble at first, that's okay. Balance is a skill, and every bit of practice improves it. Remember, even small improvements add up. Just a few minutes a day can make a world of difference. Many Japanese elders live by a simple belief: if you can move, you can thrive. This movement keeps the belief alive, literally one step at a time. So, take a moment right now and give it a try. Feel your calves working, your spine tall, your breathing calm. This is strength in motion, gentle, graceful, and effective. You're not just training muscles, you're nurturing longevity. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Did you feel the difference in your legs after trying this exercise? Leave a comment below and share your experience. Your feedback could inspire someone else to start moving again. One small lift at a time. Keep practicing this daily. Pair it with the sit to stand, and you will have two incredibly powerful tools to help you reverse muscle loss, improve balance, and restore your confidence in movement. You deserve to feel strong, capable, and full of energy at any age. Let's take a moment to understand why these two simple movements, the sit to stand and the heel raise, are so powerful. They're not just exercises. They're backed by both science and centuries of cultural wisdom. In Japan, particularly in Okinawa, often called the land of the immortals, movement is woven into everyday life. Instead of long gym sessions, their strength comes from small, consistent actions repeated daily. That's the real secret to longevity. Studies have shown that regular leg-focused movements like these increase blood flow, strengthen the heart, and maintain healthy muscle mass, which protects you from falls and frailty. Scientists call muscle loss with aging sarcopenia. But what's inspiring is that research also shows it can be reversed at any age through gentle resistance training, exactly like the two movements you've just learned. In Japan, people stay active not because they're chasing fitness goals, but because movement is part of their identity. They garden, squat, sit on low cushions, walk to the market, and use their muscles naturally throughout the day. These habits keep their bodies flexible and their joints healthy. The result: many Japanese seniors continue living independently well into their 90s, walking with ease, cooking their own meals, and enjoying full, active lives. You see, longevity isn't about luck, it's about lifestyle. The Japanese approach aging with respect, patience, and purpose. They practice something called ikigai, a reason to get up in the morning, a purpose that fuels their spirit. And staying strong is a big part of that. When your body feels capable, your mind stays hopeful. So, as you continue practicing these two movements, remember, you're doing more than exercising. You're adopting a mindset, a way of life that honors your health, your independence, and your future. You're proving that strength doesn't fade with age. It grows with consistency. If this message resonates with you, take a moment to reflect. What's your ikigai? Your reason to stay active and strong? Share your thoughts in the comments below. You might be surprised how much your story can inspire others on their own journey to aging with grace, purpose, and power. Now that you've learned these two powerful Japanese-inspired movements, I want you to take a moment to celebrate yourself. You didn't just watch another video. You took action. You moved your body, challenged your muscles, and took a real step toward a stronger, healthier version of yourself. That's something worth recognizing. Most people talk about getting stronger someday. You started today. Remember, the key to success isn't perfection. It's consistency. Doing a few sit-to-stands or hill raises every single day will do more for your health than an hour-long workout once a week. So keep showing up, one small movement at a time. The little things you do each day add up to big results over time. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of the two movements felt better for your body, the sit-to-stand or the hill raise? Let's make the comments section a space for encouragement and sharing. Your feedback could motivate someone else to start, especially someone who feels it's too late to make a change. Together, we can build a community of strong, confident seniors who inspire each other to stay active and independent. And before you go, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps more people like you discover these life-changing tips. If you haven't already, tap the subscribe button on your screen so you don't miss any of our weekly videos on healthy aging, strength, and longevity. Each week, we'll explore practical ways to move better, eat smarter, and live with purpose. No complicated workouts, no fancy equipment, just real advice for real people. You can also share this video with a friend or family member who could benefit from it. Sometimes, a small act of sharing can help someone regain their confidence and take control of their health again. So, which movement will you start with today? Take a deep breath, choose one, and commit to doing it every day for the next week. Then come back and tell us how you feel, stronger, more balanced, and more in control of your body. Your journey toward lifelong strength is already in motion. Keep going. You're doing amazing.